Here is how to create a blog on Wix step by step. Start by signing in to your Wix account, then open the website where you want the blog to appear. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward, since the blog app will be added to the site you open here. Once you are in the Wix dashboard for that website, find the App section, use the search bar to look for Wix Blog, then select it from the results and click Add to Site. Wix will install the blog features onto your website, and after that, the related blog tools will become available in the editor and dashboard. Next, click Design Site to open the website editor. After a Wix blog is installed, Wix automatically adds a blog page to the site. When the editor loads, you should be able to see that new page in your site structure. This is the page visitors will use to browse your posts. From there, go to the blog page and click Manage Posts. This opens the Blog Manager, which is the area where you create, organize, and update your articles. If the editor takes a moment to load the blog dashboard, wait for it to finish before selecting anything else. In the Blog Manager, click Create Post or New Post to begin a new article. Wix may label this button slightly differently depending on the view you are in, but it will open the post editor where you can start building the content for the post. Now add the content for your article. Enter a title for the blog post, then write the main body of the article in the content area. If you want to include visual media, add images or videos where needed. You can also assign categories and tags so the post is grouped correctly and easier to organize within your blog. As you work, use the formatting options to adjust the layout and appearance of the text so the post reads the way you want it to. After the content is in place, open the post settings and review the details. Update the post URL if needed, then check the SEO settings. You can also choose a featured image, set a publish date, and adjust visibility options. These settings help control how the post appears on your site and how it is presented when published. If you are planning for the post to go live later, make sure the publish date matches your intended schedule. When everything looks correct, click Publish. Wix will make the post live on your website, and it will appear on your blog page for visitors to view according to the visibility and date settings you selected. Your Wix blog post is now published and live on your website.